Hi, I'm Advaitanish. Today I'm going to show how to make a working LED circuit in Tinkercad. So first of all we need to go to www.tinkercad.com. Then we should go to sign in from our Google account, or we can make a new one in the Tinkercad website itself. Then we should go to circuits and click create new circuit. Okay, so now we can rename this project into LED circuit. Okay, so now this is our workspace which we will do all the works. This is our tool space which we can delete stuff, undo, redo, add notes, change wire color, etc. And at last, this is our component space which we can add parts for the build. So the first part here is going to be the LED. Next, we can go into the search bar to search something called a coin cell 3-volt battery. Okay, so as you can see in the LED, there is a longer pin and a shorter pin. The longer pin is called anode and the shorter one is called cathode. So anode is basically the positive side, the positive pin for the LED, and the cathode is the negative pin. So like that, there is a positive pin for the battery and a negative one too. Okay, so what we should do is we should connect the positive pin of the LED to the positive pin of the battery, and same for the negative too. Okay, so what we can do is we can add a wire like so. We can also change the wire color to red for the positive current because to avoid confusion. Okay, and the negative wire should also be black in color. Okay, so our wiring is basically done. Now let's try to simulate this. Okay, so as you can see, the LED is working perfectly fine. So what happens is the current from the battery goes to the positive side, positive wire, and ends up in the LED. And after that, when the LED consumes it, the current again goes through the negative wire and ends up in the battery. So this happens again and again. So that's how I made a working LED circuit in Tinkercad. Thank you.